Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're doing Immortal from HackMyVm. This box here about solid medium. And yeah, let's get on to the video. As always, I'm starting by putting my terminals here. I'm running a discover my SAR 10.0.0.1/24/IT0. So grep out for PCS. Doing this, we do get type in the box 10.0.152. So do the Control-Shift-Z, so remap scan. So do MMISSC for default scripts, minus duration. We'll scan on ports and IP. Doing this, I'll do my verbos. We have a total of 3 ports open. Port 22 open for SSH, port 21 open for FTP, and also port 80 open for HTTP. So I'm start visiting port 80. Doing this, we do get a password entry. I'm just going to enter pass. It does seem like we do get incorrect credentials, right? I'm going to control your source code. And doesn't seem like we do anything. So I'm starting some more enumeration. We're running a GoBuster, so the Control-Shift-Z. So the GoBuster to remote my to the IP address. We'll do my W for user share word list. GoBuster directory list to be through medium.txt. We'll do extensions HTML, TXT, and also PHP. Looking back at the map scan, we do have 3 ports open. Port 21 open for FTP. This is VSFTPD. We do have anonymous FTP login allowed for message.txt. Port 22 open for SSH. This is Debian. Also port 80 open for HTTP. It's running Apache. So we do have port 21 open for FTP. So I'm going to make a directory for files, cd into files. I do want to FTP into, I'll just do 10.0.152. I'll do this for anonymous. So on that, we can get this message.txt. My terminals here, get this message.txt. And here, doesn't seem like we do have anything. We do have a user as David. So I'm going to put this into my text header here. I'll just put this for username for David. We'll keep that in there. It doesn't seem like we have anything else under here. We do have a user as David. Looking over here, we do have a password. We did enter like password. It is taking passwords. Not sure what this is doing, right? Since we do have users David, I guess we're going to start by brute forcing, right? Under GoBuster, we do have index.php. So I'm going to start by brute forcing. So we'll do hydra -l. We'll do the user for David. We'll do -p for user share word list rockq.txt. We'll do a 10.0.0.152 for HTTP post form. I do want to specify the index.php, right? Because this is leading to index.php. So since it's leading to index.php, we can do it for /index.php, which is just putting the IP address followed by index.php. And I believe the syntax is to specify the, password? Password is equal to pass, which is going to be for this rockq.txt, right? And then lastly, we can put this incorrect password. Just do this for pass. We'll copy and paste exactly how this is right here. We'll do incorrect credentials. I believe we can specify I believe I have the wrong syntax. Let's see if this runs. We do have the host for 10.0.152 for David, and also for the password for Santiago. We'll copy and paste this. And here we do get logged in as long life or in your directory for long life 17. We do have a chat. I'm going to open message.txt. We do have a user as Drake. Nothing under here. Message 3. This seemed like we guessed the password right as Santiago. And we do have we can upload messages to this upload incredible message.php. So I'm going to visit this, see what this is leading to. Doesn't seem like it's under here. And we do have this we can upload a file to the Immortal server. So I'm going to find we'll just go under GoBuster here. I'm just going to grep out for a PHP reverse shell. We'll do PHP. So it does seem like we did find it under here. So I'm going to copy from this directory to this directory. We'll vi into php reverse shell.php. I do want to delete the main header here. I'll do this for 0 10.0.0.72, I believe. I do have my IP address as 10.0.0.72. We'll do some port 9001. Clean this up here. Right quit. Now if I can my PHP, we'll just head this out. Now I do have the IP address and also the port. I'm gonna start my listener here, so I'll do Control-Shift-O. Let me zoom in. So I'll do all wrap netcat my sound VP on 9001. So I do have that under there. I do want to go to browse. We'll go to other locations, go to backup, go to HackMyVm. We do have this for Immortal. We have php.php. We'll go to upload. And it does seem like this file type is not allowed. So the first thing I like doing is actually changing this to a PHTML. So if I v into PHP, we'll remove it to like a PHTML. Or not V, but we can move that into a PHTML. And we just do change the extension, go to browse, go to PHTML, go to upload, and we'll check if this is valid on this path. If it's under the document root, it doesn't seem like it's under there. We'll go back. We have parent directory, go to import it, we'll see if it's under these directories. Nothing under here, we'll go to chat. And here we do have the php. So it is stored under this lifelong 17/chat. We just click on that. We do ID. And now under www data. So I'm going to start running a bash my SI. I'm just going to export my term is equal to xterm. See back. We'll start by doing some more enumeration. We'll go under /opt. Give immortal.txt. And nothing under here. I'm going to go under /home. We do have a user as David. So do my slave. We do have a user as Drake. And we do have another directory for ... We'll cd into Drake, cd into ... We do have a pass.txt. And here we do have this for Netflix, Amazon, Sheldred. System. I'm guessing the system is going to be for this server. So I'm going to switch users to David. Then there, we do ID. Or switch user for Drake, I mean, right? Yes, for Drake. We do ID, and now we're under Drake. We do have port 80 open, or port 22 open for SSH. So SSH into 10.0.0. Or this is for Drake for 10.0.0.152. We do ID, and now we're under Drake. I'm still running a sudo myself. Here we do have a user bin Python for opt_immortal.py. I do want to check this immortal.py, see what this is. I do want to remove this. Doesn't let us remove. If we cd into /opt, I believe. We can't remove it. Can we edit the file? Go to this .py. We right quit. It doesn't let us do that. So I'm just gonna remove this. Doesn't seem like I'm just gonna do this with nano. So do immortal. Terminals here. I'll just do this for nano immortal.py. So we'll do import os. We'll do os.system. I'm just gonna do just simple bash. Here right quit on that. Now if we cat our immortal.py, we should have this import os and just simple bash. So do sudo -u into this for Eric. Now we're under Eric, and we do a sudo -l. And now we do have some commands that we can run under Immortal, right? So we do have a sudo edit for this Immortal service. I do want to check a systemctl for the status for this Immortal service. I do want to check if this is running or not. Doesn't seem to be running. I do want to check this. I guess we could edit this file or the configuration. I guess once we do have an exec start, which is once we do start the service, it does execute what is under this line. So we'll start by doing that real quick. So I do want to create we'll copy from /bin/bash. I do want to copy this to /opt and a bash. We'll do and for chmod. U+s, we'll make this into a SUID binary for /opt. We'll do bash. So all we're doing is copying from /bin/bash, putting /opt bash. We just do chmod u+s for opt bash. And that should make it to std binary, right? So just to run this one more time, we see that we do have that in there. We can start up the service since we do have this exec start. So we can just copy this command here. We'll sudo -u for root. So if we do ls -a /opt, you'll see now I do have this for bash. We'll do opt for bash. We'll do -p. We do id. Now I'm going to root. So cd to root, ls and cat root.txt. Well, guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.